To be very honest, it is a bit hard to tap into a market with a language barrier. I heard about JobSpronger through my husband basically, and I trusted them. And the support I got and the direction I was given, I knew somewhere that they'll take me somewhere. I guess there was no better choice than JobSpronger as far as I know. The first thing which I loved was the welcoming smile everyone had. You could just enter and connect to anyone. You don't have to wait for an NC. You can easily get connected. I really liked this main area where I actually could had option to choose what priority I want to learn first. But they didn't just ask us to start. They familiarized us with the building, with the people, with the role. With my mentor, it's like I feel like talking to a friend. Like if I have a problem, I can just tell her that this is the problem. If I have to ask one same question 5 times, I don't hesitate. And she's making sure that I am connected to the places where I should be. So she's taking care as if there's an umbrella over your head so you don't get lost in this world. It is hard to get a job. I totally understand, and it took me 4 years of struggle to be here. So I would first say, do not let go any opportunity you get. Don't. Always strive and stay positive, because there is always light at the tunnel. The second thing I would say mainly is try. Don't just consider defeat. Don't just feel because I am not from this country, from the same skin type, or from the same culture, I don't fit. You do fit. You do fit because you're here. If you don't fit, you wouldn't be here.